All right, here we go. Yeah, name's Chris. 2 illegal WRX. I got my 2017 Subaru WRX here in the garage this morning. We're gonna be doing some upgrades. Shout outs to you guys for making this next big project happen. Big upgrade guy. Going for round 2. Stay tuned to check this out. It's the hometown special right here.
Hometown special. Oh. See that, Eric? You need to make one of those for your TSX day.
Thursday is for tamales and titanium. We got a plethora of accessories. Shout out Titanium Works. Yeah, so today we are going to be installing a new big brake kit, 6-piston caliper in the front, 4-piston caliper in the back, new color. Everything is basically the same. We're just going with a new colorway. I think this is year 4 on this BBK right here. And surprisingly, I would say it has maybe 40, 50,000 miles on it, almost 10 track days or so. And I've never actually switched the pads once. I have maintenanced the kit before, so I know that the brake pads are still in good condition. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with like the performance and quality and durability of everything. So yes, I've had this on for about 4 years, but it's time for a change.
Talk me through what you're doing today.
Dude, today...
More titanium to work with. You scared?
More titanium. Luckily, Chris is here to help me install all his new titanium stuff.
I feel like it's pretty identical to the burn blue and a lot of the titanium. So.
It's not a daily driver, but he does drive it everywhere. He does track it, and he wanted to change the look up, kind of go with a new theme you're gonna see hopefully next year. So we're gonna get in there, we're gonna take this kit off, we're gonna put his new kit on, and stay tuned.
Yeah, exactly. So I did go with the turquoise blue. I just did like a lot of switches, to the engine bay and things like that, and kind of took a lot of the carbon out and then replacing it with a lot of titanium parts. Yeah, so Titanium Works hooked me up. Everything I got is in burnt. So I got the centric hub rings, I got the newest lug nuts, and then I got tire pressure sensor, hardware, valves, caps, and then also the newest version of their axle nut. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna grab one of these tamales right now too. Update, a little bump in the road. It's gonna get fixed though. The axle nut has a different thread pitch. Everything else is dialed. Rex is working hard, or hardly working. This is like more of a process than I thought. So we are back. We're all finished up with the new big brake kit. Thank you, Rex. Eric, Paul, Martin, everybody here, peace. Thank you guys so much for all your support. There's a lot more that I need to change now. But yeah, overall, I'm extremely happy.
Sweet, so the brakes are on, everything looks good, everything's finished really well. Chris did a lot of little nice titanium touches. I know he has a few more things to put on there. Pretty excited to see those on there, as well as the new wrap with the new scheme. So stay tuned next year and check it out at the shows.